Howdy, my name is Jace and I'm Director of MSC Open House. I'd like to thank the 18,000 people and 480 organizations that participated at our Fall Open House. I look forward to seeing you on January 20th from 1 to 5 p.m. for MSC Spring Open House. Thanks and Giga.
Open house is important for a student because you're coming to a school, a brand new school with so many people that you don't know. But if I go to open house, I can run into a dental organization that's going to help me set up for my future. There's also, for me, and probably a lot of other people, there's also things you want to do outside of school. Schools can give you a headache, so you want that one thing that you can look forward to every week for your weekly meetings that's going to take you away from school for a little bit and let you have fun or do what you love or what you're passionate about. This is Asia from A&M's African Student Association, and thank you for coming to Open